Hi, now that we have our walls being erected and they are showing clearly on our AutoCAD MEP as 3D images, let me change the view to conceptual. So it's evident that you might actually have a problem in positioning the roof. That's if you don't want to create a shed here. If you want to create a shed here, you're going to have a problem. So the next thing I would advise you do is to modify your XREF. So I'll change my view back to conceptual, back to 2D wireframe. Then I'll go to plan view. Now you can click on your XREF, just be careful. Click on your XREF, then you can right click, edit XREF in place. So now, just because you want to suspend the roof and you want to cover the balcony, I will advise you make use of a pillar or a column over here. So I'm going to go for a column that is exactly the same width and length as the wall. So don't forget the wall is 230 by 230 as in terms of length and width. So I'll just do a rectangle REC, click anywhere on my screen and type height 230, 230. So once you have that, you can always change the layer so that it's going to reflect on the XREF layer. So because I don't have my layer showing, I have to type LA enter. So you can click on the settings icon here and anchor right. So I can highlight it, go to my layers, click on this, then set it on XREF. You might not have XREF on this particular drawing profile, so it's easy, just create a new layer. So I'll just type XREF and I'm going to go for color it once again. So it's easy for me. I can change the layer, maybe going to properties. That's an easy way to do it. Just go to XREF. So I'll move this and position it at this edge. Okay, so the whole concept is we would have like an opening from here to here and another opening from here to here. So once this is done, this has been set up, you go over here and you save your changes. So now it's easy for you to edit your 3D walls. So how do you do it? I'll change my view to southwest. Okay, so click on this wall. I can always drag it to this edge. Click on this wall, drag it to this edge also. So you can click escape, check it out on another visual style. Okay, so we are safe. Now the next thing is you need to create those wall openings. So you can measure from this pillar to this edge. Just click anywhere here. So we're on the x-axis, so we have 2.4 meters. So I'll just go click on doors, click on the drop down, go for opening. Now if you check the command line, it says select wall that you want to insert the opening on. So just be careful, look deeply, you would see. Okay, so this wall has been highlighted. Now I can set my width. I'll set my width to 2400. My height is 2250. So you can just position it. Now you also want to set another opening on this side, but because I've not measured it, I'll just hit escape, type DI enter. Okay, that was DI enter. Now click from here to here. So I have on the y-axis I have 770. So I'll go again, door opening, click on the wall you want to insert it in. So just be careful, set the width the same height to 250. Okay, so let's check it on another visual style. So it looks good. Now you might be someone that likes aesthetics, so you might prefer to have an arc here, or maybe any shape really, maybe a square. Some people leave it like this, but let's just experiment, explore different options. So I'll go back to 2D wireframe, click on my wall opening. Now you can see on my properties palette I can change this to arc. I can increase the depth, the rise of the arc. I can increase it to 600. That's if I don't want a sharp arc. I can make it 900. You can alter it to whatever you like. I'll change it back to 300. You can also maybe, okay, on this side let's explore other options. Instead of going for a arc, we can try something else, maybe cut around. You can see you have so many options, which would have been very difficult to develop using 3D, AutoCAD 3D. So you can see we have hexagon, you have so many shapes. Actually you have an octagon, so many shapes, a triangle, anything you like. But I'll take it back to an arc, and a rise of 300 is fine. So press my escape key. So I think let's check conceptual visual style. Yeah, I think we have something that looks good, and we can have our roof installed, covering our balcony also. Yeah, thanks.